Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Begin by isolating the problem with simple tests and clear observations. Test the mouse on a clean, hard surface and a mousepad to compare behavior. Try a second computer or USB port to rule out system issues. Check DPI and polling rate settings, for example 800 DPI and 125 HC, because extreme settings can cause jitter. Verify battery charge is above 20% or use a wired connection to test wireless signal problems. Inspect the cable and connector for frays or loose connections before deeper fixes. Power off the mouse and remove debris physically before cleaning to protect the sensor. Use compressed air and a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol to clean the sensor opening and lens carefully. Clean the mouse feet and pad surface to remove fibers and dust that cause jitter. Adjust liftoff and DPI in software, for example 800 DPI and 3.5 mm liftoff, to match your grip and surface. Update or reinstall the mouse driver and firmware to the latest version for improved tracking stability. If problems persist, inspect physical components for wear and replace parts as needed. Replace worn mouse feet or apply a quality mousepad with uniform texture to stabilize tracking. Try lowering USB polling rate from 1000 HC to 500 or 125 HC because some sensors prefer lower rates. For wireless mice, change channels or use a USB extender to avoid interference from 2.4 GHz sources. If the issue remains, swap the mouse with a known good unit to identify hardware failure or contact manufacturer support for repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.